Hey guys, Pandy here of Pandy's Beauty and Beyond. If this is your first time watching me, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Y'all know I'd be excited to see you back. And if you are watching this video with the live watch party premiere crew, shout out to you and friends with super channels. Thank you all so much for being here. Listen, we are officially approaching October. We are in full swing fall season. And as many of you all know, I have been all about the fall self-care. I have recently completed my fall self-care reset series, which was a 4-part video series here on the channel. And of course, I've also been sharing updates on information on a video I shared a few months back where consumer investigative reports came out, really bringing to light the fact that a lot of these synthetic braiding brand companies were hiding the fact that some of the hairs that they've been selling to us over the years contain toxins and some even carcinogenic chemicals that were dangerous to us. And as a natural myself, I was heartbroken, I was alarmed, I was just outraged, like, OMG, how can they get away with this? But then when you step back down to reality, you look at it for what it is, and you know what? They're going to do what they're going to do, but there are steps that we can take to kind of protect ourselves and make ourselves safer. And with that being said, this is why I decided it would be a good idea to share this video. And this video is going to be all about how you can actually detox and prep your braiding hair at home, okay? Because after all, we want to remove the hidden toxins or chemicals from our braiding hair before we actually do our install. And so tonight I'm going to share a simple step-by-step detox routine that you can do using pantry staples, no expensive tools needed, and something that's going to be perfect for all hair textures and hair types. So again, hit that subscribe button for safer style tips, and double tap on that notification bell so that you are kept in the loop of when new videos are added to the channel. Now, did you know that braiding hair could be carrying unseen chemicals? By now, I'm sure the answer is yes. It was just trending all over social media. And so, as I stated, I even did a video about it a few months back. But moving forward, there are still many of us who are going to opt for protective styles going into these cooler months that will involve us adding extension hair into those styles. And oftentimes, the safer alternative braiding brands can tend to be a bit on the pricier side. So if you're like most, and you are still going to need to utilize the synthetic braiding brands, then of course we want to be able to take measures to protect ourselves. And that involves removing the toxins or detoxing. So let's talk about a quick detox routine that you can do from home in under 10 minutes. And then the reason why is because it matters. You see, those factory finishes, when they're creating the synthetic braiding hair, can actually be very harsh on our natural hair. They can weaken our hair. They can cause buildup, and oftentimes it can irritate your scalp. So these tips that I'm going to be sharing tonight are going to help you and aid you to at least prevent some of the harsh effects from the factory synthetic braided hair brands, okay? So tip number 1, you want to have an apple cider vinegar solution. And most of us have apple cider vinegar on hand already at the house, okay? Me personally, I like to use the one with the mother in it. It literally says the mother. on the bottle, okay? This is the one that looks very cloudy. When you shake it up, you see the little stuff floating around to the bottom. Now, if you don't have any, go out and get you a bottle. It's usually under $3. I like to pick it up whenever I'm at Walmart. It's like $2.79 a bottle. Next, you're going to want to have a gentle shampoo, which many of us have on hand, preferably a sulfate-free shampoo, which means it's going to be free and clear of the excessive, harsh soaps, detergents, sudsing agents, okay? If you don't have a sulfate-free shampoo, that's okay. A gentle shampoo. And remember, this is not real hair, so go cheap. Dollar Tree is your friend. Get you a bottle of Suave or whatever they got, as long as it's a gentle shampoo. I would even say get a baby shampoo, because that's going to be even more free and clear of any harsh agents. Okay? Next, you're going to want to have baking soda on hand. The reason why is because you're going to be taking all three of these items and creating your solution. This solution is going to be what we use to detox the synthetic braiding hair. Now, you're going to want to have a basin or either a clean sink or a tub. Me personally, I like to do this in the kitchen sink because it's going to be deep, okay? You're going to want to fill your sink up, and there are no rhyme or reasons, no measurements necessary. Do it to your liking. But me personally, I like to take at least a little less than half a bottle of the apple cider vinegar. Mix in a few squirts of the gentle shampoo and pour a little bit of baking soda from the box. Just something enough to thicken it up a little bit, okay? And you're going to be using lukewarm water for this solution, by the way. Now, once you've got that in the sink, you're going to then immerse the synthetic braiding hair into this solution. You will let it soak, swish it around in there, but let it soak in there for at least 2 to 4 hours. Now, after 2 to 4 hours, you're going to want to rinse thoroughly under running water and then run a full sink or tub full of clean water and let it soak for an additional 30 minutes. This is going to ensure that you have rinsed it thoroughly and also take away that vinegar smell, because the last thing you want is to be walking past somebody smelling like vinegar, okay? Once you've done that and you've rinsed all of the cleansing solution, then you're going to go in with a conditioner. Not a leave-in conditioner, but a rinse-out conditioner. You will let it sit, your conditioner, in the water in the same sink for about 30 minutes. Then you'll bring it out, rinse it, wring it out as much as you can. Be gentle, okay? You don't want to mat or tangle the hair. It's already synthetic, okay? Then what you'll do is, if you don't have those braiding hooks to hang the hair up, you'll go ahead and take a towel, lay it down on a flat surface, a table, your kitchen counter, a desk. Lay the hair onto the towel because it'll be slightly damp. Let it air dry overnight. And when you come back in the morning, your hair will be soft, it will smell fresh, and you will be ready for any style. Tag me with your installs and let's keep it clean. I'd love to see your thoughts on this routine. I want to thank you again for tuning in for this video. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything to support the channel. Until the next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.